There we go. Hey everybody, we've got blacked out conditions right now. It is snowing outside. I'm on 26th Street in Quincy, Illinois. And it is snowing on 26th Street in Quincy, Illinois. So here we are. Good to go slow out here. That person's gonna turn down that way. That stuff's piled up thick over there. I hope they can make it okay. Woohoo! You gotta love this snow. I do have my traction support on right now in the Jeep, so how's everybody doing out there? Say hi, say something. Hey, it's my Aunt Donna. How you doing? Don't worry, it projects it up on me. I can actually see just fine. Gas is at 242. I'd say get out and get some if you can see the place. I'm going to be your weatherman today. I'm thinking there's a chance of snow. What do y'all think? I think there's a chance of snow. I'm kind of taking some of the main roads right now because the plows really are not out right now. I saw 2 of them over in the city of Quincy. So make sure y'all are being very, very careful. I'm doing about 15 miles an hour right now, for you that are asking. Okay, maybe a little less than that because I'm going up a hill. But because of the rain earlier, I'm worried about it being ice beneath the snow. And I don't care what kind of vehicle you got. It'll push you, it'll push you. Okay, now the wind's pushing me now. Oh wow, the wind is killer out here right now. Alright, taking a left on the Cook's Lane for everybody that's paying attention and watching my updates. Whee! Okay. So this is Cook's Lane right now. These roads, guys, they're not in good shape right now. I know the Quincy High Department and the Adams County Highway are getting everything done right now, but it's still early and the snow is just beating down. Like crazy beating down. Hello, person in the other van. Seriously, you need a 4-wheel drive to be in this stuff right now. Want each and every one of you to know that's watching. Every one of you matters. Each one of y'all are awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. And if you're wondering why I'm talking to you while I'm doing this, it kind of keeps me focused. It's just who I am. It's how I do things. So. And I actually, these HD glasses I got on Amazon, the ones they advertise, I actually do a really good job because without them, I can't see as far. But this is Cook's Lane right now. We're coming up to 18th and Cook's Lane. Hey Scott, my brother. In case everyone knows Scott who that is my Marine Corps brother. He was in Weapons Platoon. He's a hero for being a Marine, but he's also a police officer. I think over in Maine. Am I saying that right? Alright. I am coming up to 18th and Cook's Lane right now. You know, ever since Freeze has put that new nice brick stuff on there, you can actually see the roads really well now. Before you couldn't see this very well. So on. Now, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, and while y'all are watching the snow, I hope you're all able to call your parents, your moms, your dads, and y'all had a good Thanksgiving, and tell people they matter and they're important. You know, we get so tied down with our everyday lives, sometimes we just forget to call those that we love or you know, send out some good readings. I'm working on our Christmas card right now for everybody to send out. Not right now. Right now I'm working on driving and staying on the road and not getting in a wreck. Hey, Scott, do you remember when it snowed at Lejeune that one year? They shut down the base for the snow. We were all outside getting in snowball fights. I think you guys were on the 3rd floor. We were on the 2nd floor. I can't help but think about, we were out there getting in snowball fights and everything at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. That was freaking hilarious. And then when they send us 2 years later is when we were up in Bridgeport. That was freaking fun. By the way, if you ever get a chance to hear about Bridgeport, not a fun place for Marines. Me and my commentary while I'm doing this. Whee! Alright. My one windshield starting to... Man, that car behind me is going a little bit faster than normal. Alright. Go. Got some snow on the brakes there. I'm at 12th and Cook's Lane, taking a right, going north. We are heading north. Quincy snowstorm. Gotta love it. I bet you they will cancel school tomorrow. I'm out in this because I had to be. I hope you guys stay at home, stay warm. Gas is at $2.42 in Quincy. I think it's at $2.32 in West Quincy, Hannibal, Missouri. West Quincy, for everybody that's not from Illinois, is actually Missouri. So we actually crossed the river to get cheaper gas, even though I paid the 10 cents higher right now. You know, these Christmas decorations people got look great. With all the snow and everything, and no one's touched anything, like getting out in it, the decorations look awesome. That's the new school door. That's why you're seeing a lot of... This is blacked out conditions right now. This is what I refer to as blackout conditions. See if my brights do anything. Nah, brights aren't doing anything. I do have a car coming my way. Alright, buddy. He's a little towards the middle. If I go any farther over, I go into the ditch, so I'm hoping he sees me coming here. Alright, we're gonna go slow past each other. Yep, there's a van. Alright. Holy biscuits. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. I think I'll call in the radio station tomorrow, not go in. I think I'm going to call in. Alright, this is kind of hard to see now. Alright. This is going to sound weird, I wonder. Alright. By the way, I turned off my lights because I can see better now. When I got those lights on, it's blacked out. But if I see a car coming, I'm going to turn them back on. There we go. But if you can see right there, it's harder to see. I'm trying to adjust it so I can see better. Who wants to have a snowball fight? I want to have a snowball fight. Dang, I hope no one's going duck hunting tomorrow. My gosh. Ducks are going to be frozen to the lake. Alright, we're taking a right now. Into my subdivision. I remember our neighbors, they used to have these huge snow piles in our neighborhood at the cul-de-sacs. And I think it was me, my sister, Julie and Janie, Schulte, Paul. I think who else was there? Or Leia. Used to always play in the snow every year. Paul Slater. I miss my neighbors. I love my neighbors to death. Julie and Janie, Schulte, Debbie and Francis. Oh, Trevor Fry. Tyler Freeze. Scott Dahlman. lights on and off. Whoa, alright, we made it. Hey Steve, what's up, buddy? Alright, we have made it home. Now, I may have to shut the garage door manually. I don't think it wants to shut now because of all the snow. I have to shut the garage door manually. Alright, everybody. So what I'll do now is I'll take you outside in the snow. Let's go outside in the snow and let's go build a snowman. And we're going to go out in the snow now. Alright, we're going out into the snow. Alright, look at this. There we go. Holy cow. Oh, biscuits. Okay. So as you can all see, it's a little snowy around here today. Hope everybody's having a great time.